Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy XRP on Phantom Wallet step by step. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply get the Phantom Wallet application or download the extension from your web browser. From there, just open up your Phantom Wallet and simply inside to go ahead and buy XRP on your Phantom Wallet. The first thing that we have to do is to simply go ahead and purchase Solana first on our Phantom Wallet. Unfortunately, it is not supported to go ahead and directly buy XRP on Phantom Wallet, but there is an alternative way. Now, the first thing we want to do is to simply click on the buy option, click on Solana, and from here you then want to go ahead and enter how much Solana you want to buy. Now, right after having a Solana, you then want to go ahead and navigate through the swap button. In this step, we are going to swap our Solana for some XRP. So in here, just go ahead and search for XRP, enter the amount that you want to pay with, and from here, you will be able to see what you will then receive. Now, you can just go ahead and calculate the conversion between Solana and XRP, but that is how you can buy XRP on Phantom Wallet step by step. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.